Remakeup da ajui kham dai pauping. Khamrang district li Bobby Lui acres shakhani langda sashima meira. College admission ga khuli phaisa kasi gaza shokhaira da legal action khwai Manipur Student Federation nanga kawaira. Lake Hangator as the Tangkhul Express we pau Chipemshon Khamrang in a pamitle, bowing may sign ang nangrumsa. Khamrang district li Bobby Lui acre shakhani hangpanga chika sashiman mieira. District administration nathanda ajahon tarik shini thang Bobby Lui sakashiman drive khawali Khamrang ramnawbing na mathalak e nakadomia da hanga. Drive G District Deputy Commissioner Rangname Rang Biderna Kathanwe Azingli Village Heads Kala Ramnabing na Katom Khami Zang da Saira. IFP Bureau we Bao Atishuda Drive Jili Pungyar Subdivision Li Bobby Lui Acre Shakha Thra Gada Sashimanmi. Gala Ji Pungyar STO Rang David Nathanda Ukrul District Additional SB Siat Samat Aina SB Siat Samir na Katommi da Kasana. Thawai Khulila Lidan Police OC in a Manipur Rifles we combined team na Bobby Lui Acres Hangshini Sashiman Meira. Bobby Sakashiman Drive Jili Ramnao Shakha Tumraga the volunteer Samia da Hanga. Marau Khuli Pungyar BS OC Nathan Manipur Rifles personnel Zangda Atumna Bobby Lui Acres Muguga da Sashiman Meira. Tangkhul Hundung Lila Pungyar Police Station in a SP Khamrang office we mizangda Bobby Lui Acres Tharada Jiko Sashiman Meira. Sahampung subdivision we Maukot Khulila Bobby Lui Acres Muguda Panga Langda Sashiman Mihaira. Darik Shini we drive Ji Manipur Shorkar we war on drugs campaign Akaisa the Kavana. Gadamnao College admission Kwi Khawai Kasali staff na lupa sakaza corruption panda Manipur Student Federation na makhamaya ngabaw haira. Imphal Luwang Shambam li khale Liberal College li contractual staff akhana kadamnao hangphanga langda college admission wiwang phi sadra kha sazaira da kadamnao long china hanga. MSF General Secretary Rojit Tekjam na gahang atumna college li drive father take a kwi Thangjam Roshan Gaho College Jiwi, contractual staff Jina, Gadam now being we admission aming Aina Luba, Hiaka Gasi Gaza Tekuya. Gadam now drag Hali, Ngarai Gaja admission receipt number Mirai Sada, Roshan we Makamashung or Sakjiwi in a take a queen nada hanga. Maramji Education Minister na Gatakwi Lungli, Young Sang Mida contractual staff Pajiwi Dungli, Action Quiran, Quimi Kawai MSF na. Nga kawaira. Pesa gaziza ya gaji staff Thangjam Roshan na Katum Thangwe along li Gadam now long jili Raham Sangda Ning Rangade Plungra da MSF na Tahira. Lakhavak Ajam Manipur Student Federation we 17 academic campaign Ekwai Lairik Ningtina Tamse gaji degree Lirinda Chris Cottage Academic Kakching Li Ranye Kwikagi the lately. Academic campaign J State we education system mathami khawai ningrin in the 2006 kum hagapok na da hanga. Ukrul district Zingdung Shongkhale humi vok yearly ajukum Sakolmang area Naga Student Association Sansa General Conference cum Sports Literary and Cultural Meet Mayon Haira. Kala gazipji rungkamili shijin gahaibam ngatapung football ground 5A-side football ground Kala volleyball ground akhada Saiko Rujiwang India Shorkar Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs CWD retired engineer Umbam Raikhan na Haulak ina donate samye sayada Raikhan li humi vok yerna ninga shidra ka pongshoka Umbam Raikhan we mangai na riga sangkhui kharaji humi vok yer we thojan li hak makeup kaji development lagada hanga Facilities Pingji Khalewi Wang 64th Sansa General Conference cum Sports Literary and Cultural Meet Ji Makhok Mi Gashapnada Raikhan na Sami Khaiji Khaji Wiwang Mangmaning la Ring and Naiping Wiwang la kapha ngasa da humi vok year sansa local organizing committee na hanga Raikhan we leadership quality kala ya really sheba sami khangai commitment jithe haira gaji hangda rakhara atam le yari jungmeida otram ngathami kala phakhamai ot safura gaji khujina gaji han phongshoka Sansa General Conference cum Sports Literary and Cultural Meet 2023 li apong ngate da aina ngachon mi khai pingli humi vok year na ninga shi phongshoka Manipur we MGNREGA funds spending khale masangla ji hosho khawra da MGNREGA director ina secretary na tui mi haira Manipur State Panchayat Barishat we president MD Abdul Latif na release mi ka shokli kahang banding fund release masa khami maramji we MSPB na reader Prime Minister Office Rural Development in a Panchayati Raj Union Minister kala State Minister bingli memorandums misang hairasaya MSPB we minganing bing MGNREGA director in a secretary li samphangda MSPB na kapo ji samira jihaira da hanga itum na theibai financial year 2021-2022 Adam we MGNREGA we liabilities fund release sakhawai kala 6 general panchayat election samida panchayat ji pangshap mi khawai hi MSPB na demand sakasana Manipur li G20s event ajuwi tarik thrada shini na habokda thrada jigoi na tangda rungmi gi da leitle G20 rani Mararang Lakha Aya Chief Minister and Biren Singh na Bishnupur District Moirang Khunoli Khale Sangai Ethnic Parkli Od Sada Khale inspection vaira CM na Centrali Khale Loktak Inland Water Transport Complex Lawayang Haira Chief Minister Ngasoda Education Minister Thona Jam Basanta Kumar German Manipur State Power Distribution Committee Limited Thongbram Robindro MLA Moirang SC Thongam Shanti, German Loktak Development Authority M. Anis Kumar, Chief Secretary Dr. Rajesh Kumar, Managing Director Manipur Police Housing Corporation Limited C. Tangkhul, Additional Chief Secretary V. Vulungmang, Gala Senior Government Official Bingla Inspection Jilibaya. Healthcare system mathaming sakhawai public in a private sector coordinate saplongrada Health and IBR Minister Dr. S. Ranjan Singh na hanghaira. Health Minister Jina Kakching Li Khale Jivan Hospital we Foundation Day Kamyon Li Maso Asada Kamaduili Gahang Manipur we healthcare system mathame khawai shorgar sakchang da satle BMJAY CMHT Chief Minister Health Hikathahi Zangda Welfare Health Scheme Darakha Miera Gaji Hihanga Gala Grassroots Healthcare System Li Kamadaya Sada Kuigi Gajinada Health Minister na hanga Primary Healthcare System Mamathala Tertiary Healthcare Matanga Saki Gaji Sakra the Health and IBR Minister Dr. S. Ranjan Singh na hangsanga Govit Mima Adamli Health Staff Pingna Otngarut Khimig Haiji Songai Laka Gaji Hangda Ara Mimau Khra Psychoroli Ngasung Kawai Shorgar na Ngaran Haira the Health Minister na hanga Manipur we oral healthcare services angret sakshilak ina lately Ajurashing the Shorgar we oral health facilities Mathalak ina zatta khale report Malay mana the Health Minister Sabam Rajan Nahanga Maramji Aja Hontang MHS Dental Surgeon Bingwe Capacities Building Training Program Hagapoklik Hangna Shorgar we dentist Pingnala Atungwi Gatemji Yari Sheba Gasali Shijin Kawai Kasasangda Health Staff na duty Yankara Akalda State Shorgar na Majumi Murada Health Minister na Hangmatin Haira Manipur we oral healthcare Makamatha Mara Minister Jinagahang Goa Gashai Hila Ninga Karik Akana Yarishang we section Saigorali Goa Shaika Gasai Hi Lay Gala Jina oral health saklak ina Sazubaya da Dr. Ranjan Nahanga Oral Gaja Kamor we healthcare Maramli Taitang May Kawaya Riwi awareness Kwira Kami Dergar Salak Khaira Gajila Health Minister Jinahanga Manipurli Dental Surgeon La Gajablak in a late Health Services Director Sashikumar Mangan Nagahang State Health Department Lead Dental Surgeon They'll make up the Shamati Hangmati Leiran Gajina Mashingji state we rujum now mi mashing atishuda standard doctor patient ratio leiranga kahangna. Manipur Health Department lead dental surgeon we sanction boss shaka apa tharuk mang layada Dr. Sashi Kumar Nahanga. Jiwiga Khaladva Manipur Health Department li dental surgeon shagatum thara vatta khalaina. Kalaji state sorgarna yang sang mi khawai ngagaw haira. Ukhrul Central School li smart class hapok haira. Smart class ji pre-nursery, LKG, kala UKG wibang hapok haina. Ukhrul Central School li aya aina tangda kadam now 1238 kahira da Central School we Principal L. Robert Mede na hanga. Itum na paning ungbai Ukhrul Central School he Cornelius Ramroar na 2008 kum hagapok na. Gala ariri we Principal he L. Robert Mede na sadly. Ajugum 2023 we school we staff he hangmadida akhalaya jiwing a jaili gatum na non-teaching staff Jaugitar Shina Akha, Miena Akha Dalaya. Gala security Miena Akha Laya Dahanga. Ajugum Ukhrul Central School we admission he Rakra Tarik Trada Madina Dangda Shomitle. Sid Rakre really Mira the Central School we Principal L. Robert Medina Bao Miraya. Ladluida Ajuwikam Daya Bauping. Kamjong District li Bobby Louis Acres Shakhani Langda Sashiman Meira. College admission ga khuli phaisa kasi gaza shokhaira da legal action khwai Manipur Student Federation nanga kawaira Ajui pau hiling a janghaira pau ngana da kleina thum psychorally ring a pagala kam haya zimik shong sa serunu